Hello everybody!
Hey, I want to do some painting.
We have some colorful paints here.
It's water paint. I'll mix with one glass.
Ready, Bingo? I'm
Yeah,
ready,
I'm
Bluey.
ready.
What are you gonna paint, Bingo?
I'm gonna paint you.
I'm gonna use some different color paints and put them outside and let the rain do the job. Red,
I'm
orange,
gonna swallow you and some flowers.
hello. Now order green, blue. Then we're gonna put purple. Bloom. This is our rainbow. Now I'm gonna take the rainbow outside and see what happens in the rain. Do you wanna see that?
Yes.
Okay. Carefully put it somewhere on the driveway and leave it here for a few minutes. Oh, the rain is already working on it. Look at that. What happened with our rain is going away. Rain, rain, don't go away. The sky is starting to clear.
Rain, rain, come here. Don't go away into it. Wait, hey.
Splatters.
First, I'm gonna make a beautiful rainbow.
A rainbow of God's love.
Everyone. Gonna be the best rainbow ever. Here. No. Green. It's a nice shade of blue.
That's very nice.
Is it okay? Well, mixed yellow and blue. Get it? And make a nice shade of blue. Wow.
Is that supposed to be Bluey? Doesn't look like Bluey.
Right now it's like a rainbow.
Okay. You're gonna put it outside? Let's see our rainbow. Very pretty.
It's my photo paper.
Okay, and look at yours. That's very nice. Really fun. Splat, splat. I like that sound. Now we're gonna make a walking rainbow experiment. Oopsie daisy, we don't have washable markers, but hey, that's okay. We're gonna use our paints and paint a rainbow on both ends of paper towel. Then put it in water, and the water should carry the paint across and connect the colors. We'll see if that's gonna work. Let's do it.
Froggy frog.
Well, Bingo is orange, my dear. Orange.
But we just pretend.
Orange and shiny.
I want to do a whole rainbow. That's without
That must be
colors.
the cloud that made all the rain, right? Is that what it is? Sparkly.
What? And now I'm gonna add into the orange, sparkly orange, and now I'm gonna add it.
Keep going. Definitely very sparkly. And now the fun part. Into here.
Painted person, painted person, painted person, painted person.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Bingo.
It's 112 years a long time.
130 years. It seems like this project is going to take about that long. 130 years, everybody. 130.
I'm gonna
It's
make
forever.
a book that says history of the museum.
It's like watching the paint dry. Except it's not drying. It's the opposite. It's getting smeared across the paper, but I have a feeling we're going to be here for a while. 130 years, about that. Yes.
Now, can I walk on it right now? Can I walk on it right now?
Bingo, you want to walk on it? Oh, we can make a walking rainbow Bingo's way. Bingo, you're a genius. This is a walking rainbow, everybody. You walk on it. Good job, Bingo. This is indeed genius. Bye, Bingo, everybody.
Bingo.
Don't even. It looks amazing. Amazing walking rainbow. Whoa, it's a hammock. Oh, I'm gonna join you in that.
It's a hammock. It's only a one-piece hammock.
It's collapsing. I'm too heavy. That's funny. Walking rainbow. Spilling rainbow. Bingo. Bingo, you did it. You messed it all up. But that's Bingo, look how beautiful the glitter is. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Please subscribe.
Yes, so subscribe.
Thank you. Bye. See you next time. Bye.
Excited. So excited. Oh my God.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.